This video will cover all of the layout components within the form builder and all of the unique features and settings each component offers. The HTML element provides flexibility for developers to extend the functionality of their forms by adding their own custom HTML elements, such as buttons, links, images, and other interactive elements. With the HTML element component, developers can integrate custom JavaScript, CSS, or HTML code directly into their forms, enabling them to create highly customized and interactive user experiences. This component is particularly useful for developers who require advanced customization beyond the standard form elements provided by the platform. HTML tags, classes, and attributes can be added, or straight HTML can be added within the content block of the component. The content component provides the form designer with a WYSIWYG editor to add content or media such as images or videos. The content component is a great tool for displaying company logos, modifying text, or customizing contextual language for your form. You can also use the content component to interpolate and display real-time data from your form, as seen here. The columns component can be used to group other components together, displaying side by side across the horizontal span of your form. Using the column component can help organize fields together in a logical way and save vertical space on your form. To ensure column width spans evenly across the width of your form, make sure that the column width total equals 12. For example, if I wanted a set of 3 text fields to display side by side, first name, middle initial, and last name, I could add my first column width as 5, my second column width 2, and my last one width as 5 to total 12, and I'll get an even span across the width of my form. The field set component allows users to group related form fields together under a common heading or label. This component is useful for organizing and structuring forms, especially when dealing with complex or lengthy forms with multiple sections. Use the label of the component to name and organize the sections of the form. You can also apply HTML to the label to customize the form section. The panel component is another layout component that allows users to group related form fields together under a common heading or label. You can change the styling of the panel by toggling different theme settings. Check the collapsible setting to allow users to open and close the panel, which can be used to hide sets of fields within the panel. The table component allows the form designer to create a table of rows and columns. Components can then be added to the table for data input or population. Settings like striped and bordered can change the look and feel of the table. It's important to note that the table component is not mobile friendly and will not collapse when viewed on smaller devices. The tab component allows users to organize form elements into separate tabs or sections, improving the overall organization and usability of complex forms. Within the settings, new tabs can be created. Tabs can be reorganized or removed entirely. By default, the tabs will display horizontally across the form, as you see up here. You can check this vertical layout setting to display these tabs vertically on your form. The well component allows users to group fields within a well container. The well component is used to provide visual distinction of a grouping of organized fields. Make sure and visit our help documentation linked in the description of this video for more information about Form.IO components.